Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to get bubble chat in Roblox Studio. First, open your Roblox Studio project. Navigate to the Explorer window, usually on the right side of your screen. Find the chat service, which is typically located under Starter Player or directly in Replicated Storage. Select it, then go to the Properties window and check the Bubble Chat Enabled box. This simple step activates the basic bubble chat feature for your game. Once enabled, you can personalize your bubble chat's look. Within the chat service properties, look for options like bubble background color and bubble text color. You can select any color using the color picker. Also, adjust bubble duration to, say, 5 seconds for longer messages, or max bubbles to 3 for a cleaner interface. These settings allow you to match the chat style to your game's aesthetic perfectly. For more advanced control, explore properties like Bubble Chat Max Distance. Setting this to, for example, 50 studs means players only see bubbles from others within that range. You can also write local scripts to create custom bubble animations or special effects when players chat. Consider implementing custom chat filtering to maintain a positive and safe environment for all players in your experience. After configuring your bubble chat, it is crucial to thoroughly test it. Click the Play button in Roblox Studio to simulate a game session. Type messages to verify that bubbles appear correctly, display your chosen colors, and disappear after the set duration. Observe from different distances and perspectives. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure a smooth and engaging chat experience for everyone in your game.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.